The ArmTutor is a wearable movement detection and motion feedback device that can sense elbow extension and flexion as well as shoulder 3-directional movement. The ArmTutor is indicated for arm movement dysfunction following neurological or orthopedic injury and disease. Here you see the patient performing intensive active elbow flexion and extension exercises according to his movement ability. The system allows the patient to practice repetitive active exercises in the form of motivating and challenging games. The games are customized to the patient's motor, sensory and cognitive movement ability. The exercises can be undertaken in different positions, including sitting, standing or lying, with the patient performing assisted active or against resistance exercise practice. The patient can use the ArmTutor in the clinic and home care environment, and the ArmTutor system provides objective and quantitative evaluations on the patient's treatment progress. Here we can see the patient working on isolated, controlled shoulder movements. In particular, the patient is using the ArmTutor to exercise abduction and adduction, with the game being set to respond only to this movement. The patient can be given quantitative feedback on compensatory shoulder movement while performing the game. Both the treatments and the game settings can be saved and documented so as to maintain treatment documentation and reporting. There are several games that can be customized to the patient's movement ability. This ensures that the patient remains motivated in order to improve his movement ability and improve his performance score while exercising with the games. The score is recorded together with treatment parameters as part of the comprehensive treatment documentation. Here we see the patient working with intensive extension and flexion exercises of the shoulder. The task is set up according to the amount of movement ability that the patient has. The patient also, during the performance of these tasks, will be given information about other compensatory shoulder movements that are occurring while he is working with the intensive extension and flexion movements of the shoulder. The patient can perform the exercises, as you can see here, in the sitting position, but also in the lying position or in the standing position. For more information, please go to the MediTouch website.